Hey guys, what's up? My name is Crystal, owner at Big Energy Candle Co. And today we are going to talk about all things vessels, candle jars, or whatever you like to call them. But before we get started, let's take care of some housekeeping needs. Please make sure to always be kind because I don't play that shit. No, I'm just playing. But make sure you click the bell so you get notified whenever I post new content, as well as subscribe to my channel, like and share my content. Follow me on Facebook at Big Energy Candle Co. and on Instagram at Big Energy Candle Co. And I'm also on TikTok, Big Energy Candle Co. So let's get into it. So I told you guys that we were going to talk about vessels. I wanted to kind of break it down in sections and kind of compartmentalize everything and then get all of that out of the way. And then we'll just start just talking about more and more stuff as we go along, right? So truth be told, your vessel, your candle jar, is the first thing that people see when they see your candle. So you want to make sure that you make the determination on how you want your line to look, because it is so easy to get into what I got into, buying a whole lot of different candle jars and then thinking, well, what do I want it to look like? After I bought all these different jars, I decided that I needed to streamline my look and I wanted to make it a little more simple. And I'm going to tell you in the end why I chose the jars that I chose. And let's get into it. So first and foremost, we have our handy dandy amber. Now, Amber was really my first vessel. I brought this on Amazon and I didn't really like it. I see people making candles with these and I love the look. Like, I love the labeling, especially the craft label against this jar. Looks so cute with some black writing or like a gold label. Looks really cute on here to me. However, I did not like the heat, how hot it got. I tried using a cotton wick. I tried using the smallest wooden wick, and it just did not work for me. Now, I'm not saying you can't make it do what it do, baby, but I did not like how this did. I just didn't care for it. So I still have all of these jars because I'm gonna find something else to use them for. Maybe I'll put herbs in them or something, because I did not like them for candle making. That was my preference, guys. My preference. I love the way they look. I have smelled some people's candles and they smell amazing, but it just didn't work for your girl. Okay. So I'm doing them in the order in which I bought them, right? Except for the last few. So this one, number 2, was from Wooden Wick. Now, I love this vessel. This was my favorite. And the reason it was my favorite, because this was the first time I made a legit candle. Like, bitch, I'm a candle maker. I make candles. My candles smell good. Like, that was how I felt when I made my candle with this. And I used a Wooden Wick. This is a blush, and it comes from the Wooden Wick Co. I think is what it's called, woodenwick.com. I will put it in the comment section, okay, or in the bottom. I'll put it down there. But the only downside was it is painted and it starts to kind of get a little, like, I don't know, like, I would do not this color, because I feel like this color is easily stained or damaged, like it gets a little nicks. But that's not on anybody else, you know. That was just because I was reusing this. To their credit, I was reusing it because these were just my test candles, so I would clean them out and reuse them. And they were great for just making candles at home, so I'm not wasting vessels. So these were the first ones that I bought. And these were the first ones that I tested, and I love everything Wooden Wick. Every single thing they have on their website is amazing. You're going to fall in love. All right. So that was number 2. And that's a metal one. That's a 10 one. So this little baby right here, or big baby. She big baby because she heavy, honey. She heavy. Big baby. She is, I think, a ceramic. And I liked this because I felt like it was sleek and it was cute. And when I put my candle in it, my candle just looked adorable. I do not like the fact all candle companies make you buy the lids separately. I think it's a damn scam. Why y'all making us buy the lids separately? Like, the lid should come with the candle. Some of the times they do. If you get an expensive one, like from Dream Vessels, I think you get the lid with that one. But I really like this. This is like a 8.5, I think. 8.5 or 9. So this vessel is from Candle Science. Candle Science is my new best friend. I love Candle Science. And the reason I love Candle Science is because not only do they ship out super fast. Now, Wooden Wick is my friends, but they shipping time be forever, and they in California, right? But Candle Science has one right in my state. So I get my shipments from them super fast. And then I love the fact that I think if you spend like $25 or on any order, you get a free sample fragrance. It's a free 1 ounce, and 1 ounce will make a vessel, will make a candle, should I say. So I love shopping with Candle Science, and they always, just like Wooden Wick, they always give you the specs so you know exactly how much fragrance to put in, how much wax to put in your vessel. So I really, really like this vessel. But I'm gonna use this one more for like my Luxe line. Like, I'm not going to use this just like every day. This is going to be saved for like special occasions. So this one is not going to debut. All right, so we're going to start with this little baby right here. Now, let me tell you something that I learned. This is like a 3.5. Whenever you do glass jars, not only do you have to do a lot of work to get this sucker clean, this little girl right here, you gotta do a lot to get it clean. But when you do clear jars, any imperfection is seen. It ain't no room for error, baby. You gonna have to get your heat gun, and we're gonna talk about heat guns on the next episode. You're gonna have to get your heat gun and make sure that you get all the blemishes out. So there is no room for error when you use a clear jar. When you're using a clear jar, you are saying, I'm the shit and I know how to make candles. Because when you use something dark, nobody can know. With something that is not see-through, nobody knows that your candle didn't adhere to the side right. Nobody knows. You don't even know that your damn candle didn't adhere to the side right? Nobody knows that you got a couple of bubbles in your candle. Nobody knows that. But when you do clear, see-through, transparent, this is work. This is work. I like this though. It's really, really thick. She almost made the cut. She didn't make the cut because she's so thick and it was so time consuming to really get any blemishes off. Because even though my candles smell amazing, when you put them in a clear jar, you really see what's popping. You see what's happening, okay? This one also came from Candle Science. It was really inexpensive. And again, Candle Science always tells you what specs, how much wax, all that good stuff. So that's why I love them. So this one is really, really, really thick. It's got some lint in it, y'all. Actually, it has some Wooden Wicks in it, and that's sawdust. All right. Her. These got tons of fingerprints, so y'all forgive me. So this is a 8.5. I'm almost certain. Y'all don't quote me on the numbers, but this one came from Candle Science as well. I really love this. When I went and made candles at a local candle making spot, this is what we made our candles in. And I really like it. It's simple. It is easy to make a candle in, but again, it's clear. So there is no room for any imperfections. You gotta know that I'm the shit. Toot toot. I got it going on, because this right here, you are not gonna have any room for any error. And it comes with the lid, different colored lids. I think you can get a silver, a bronze, and a gold. I did the bronze, but I really, really like this one, okay? So guess which ones are gonna make the cut? I'm gonna tell you after we do this. Now this big baby right here, she is like ass so fat. Yeah, she is. But it's so big. Okay, I'm gonna stop. No, for real. This one right here is one of my favorites. This is just simple. It's got the lip on it. But the good thing about it comes from Candle Science as well. This is a 16 ounce or 16.5. You could probably do 2 wicks in here. Not 2 big wicks. One big wick would probably, wooden wick is what I would use in here. Again, it's see-through, so there is no room for imperfections. You gotta make sure you on top of your shit, okay? I like this because it just is simple. It just says simplicity, you know, like buy me. That's what it says. Like, oh, I can see the candle. The candle is so pretty, you know. And the lid, what I love about it is these 2 lids are the same. So when I buy lids, they all can fit on here. So time to talk about which one made the cut. All right, let's get into it because I don't want to hold y'all forever. So so I was like, I'm gonna buy this, and I want it to look like that, and I want it to look like this, and I want to do all of this, that, and the third. But then I thought, I want to streamline my stuff, and I want to be able to pass savings off to my clients. I want my customers to be able to have their home smell good, have a candle sitting up, and people ask, you know, because I got a little thing that I do with my labeling, right? We'll talk about that another day. But so I chose these vessels, these 2 vessels, because I felt as though they're not cheap, but it would allow me to pass savings off to my customers. If I'm going out and I'm spending $5 a pop for every single candle jar that I get, somebody got to pay for that. And I can't pass my clients off savings. And that's what I want to do. Because trust and believe, you may know that you are making candles because you want it sustainably sourced. But your clients, or people, not even your clients, the world is like, shit, Bath and Body Works got a sale going on for, they got the 3 wick candles for $9.99. Who can compete with that? Who can compete with that? And if you look at Bath and Body Works vessels, I promise you, they look like they're nothing but painted clear jars is what they are, stained clear jars. So that's the reason why I went with those 2. I like them. They're simple, and everybody can enjoy my candles. It's not just like, oh, her candles are $40. Like, you know, I would not pay $40 for a candle in a glass jar. I just wouldn't. And I'm being so real. So you really want to be able to pass your clients off the savings that you're going to get. You have to save in order to pass that off to your clients. And some people may feel like I shouldn't even be saying this, but it's just the truth. Like, we know that people like to save, and we're in a freaking still 3 years later in a pandemic. People are not trying to spend a lot of money all the time. When Bath and Body Works puts their sale out, people are going to buy it. So therefore, that's the reason I'm telling you that you want to be able to save yourself money, but still make a product that not only is made with quality, but it also smells amazing, and it's not cheaply made, but you are saving yourself money, so that way you can pass that off to your customers, because they will go elsewhere. That's just what it is. So that's all I have today. Remember, take a step back, but don't quit. Take a step back, but don't quit. No matter what you do, always follow your dreams. Don't tell your dreams to dream killers, or people who can't see the bigger picture. There are people out here that can't imagine being a millionaire, that can't imagine living a different lifestyle. So they can't imagine it for themselves. How do you think they can imagine it for you? So always remember to stay positive, stay grounded, and stay creating, baby. I love y'all. Have a good day. Bye.